So we have 2 more days that this is bouncing off. Well, today and tomorrow. It might go all the way to 80, 90. I don't think it's going to touch 90 because this is ready for fall. And we already elected two daily. The next one is at 75. We still haven't touched the 67 weekly. So it's just going to be a small bounce. I would sell off this unless, and that's a big unless, um, we're actually closing above this. So if the week closes 96.48, then this might prove a move up till the 17th. Um, we shall see. We shall see next. To, it closes on Sunday, so let's see what's happening. Well, that's my 2 cents on Bitcoin. Um, I do not want to anticipate, but on the monthly, we already closed below the highest bar. So it's gonna keep going down until it elects the bearish reversal. All right, good luck.